Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're exploring PeerGOS, a unique platform found at https://peergo.com. PeerGOS offers a distinctive approach to online storage and collaboration, emphasizing privacy and security. Unlike conventional cloud services that often prioritize accessibility over user control, PeerGOS puts you firmly in the driver's seat of your data. It leverages peer-to-peer technology, meaning your files aren't stored on a central server vulnerable to breaches or data harvesting. Instead, your data is encrypted and distributed across a decentralized network, ensuring only you hold the decryption keys. This architecture provides a significant advantage in terms of privacy. PeerGOS employs end-to-end encryption, rendering your files unreadable to anyone but you. Even PeerGOS itself cannot access your data, providing a reassuring level of confidentiality. This commitment to privacy extends to collaboration features as well. When sharing files with others, you maintain granular control over access permissions. You can specify precisely who can view, edit, or download your shared documents, ensuring your collaborative efforts remain secure. PeerGOS also offers a robust suite of tools beyond simple file storage. You can create and edit documents directly within the platform, fostering a seamless workflow. Furthermore, PeerGOS is actively developing features to enhance user experience and expand its capabilities. Its open-source nature fosters transparency and community involvement, allowing users to contribute to the platform's evolution. For those seeking a privacy-focused alternative to mainstream cloud storage, PeerGOS presents a compelling option. Its decentralized architecture, coupled with end-to-end encryption, provides a level of security and control often absent in traditional services. While perhaps not as user-friendly as some established platforms, PeerGOS offers a valuable trade-off, prioritizing privacy and security without compromising on functionality. It's a powerful tool for individuals and organizations who value data autonomy and digital sovereignty. So, if you're looking for a secure and private way to manage your digital assets, I encourage you to check out PeerGOS.